Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Code Copilot. We'll explore their core functionalities, ideal use cases, and how they empower different stages of product development. This comparison will help you understand which tool best suits your needs, whether you're focused on design, development, or a blend of both. Let's dive into their unique strengths and see how they stack up, providing clear insights for your workflow. Figma shines as a collaborative interface design tool, offering a robust environment for creating user interfaces and experiences. Designers can craft intricate layouts, develop interactive prototypes, and manage design systems with hundreds of reusable components. Its cloud-based nature allows for real-time collaboration, enabling teams to work together seamlessly, regardless of their location. It's truly a powerhouse for visual design, ensuring consistency across all your projects with remarkable efficiency. Code Copilot, on the other hand, is an AI-powered coding assistant designed to boost developer productivity. It suggests code snippets, completes lines, and even generates entire functions based on context, significantly reducing manual coding effort. Developers report it can reduce coding time by up to 30%, allowing them to focus on more complex problem-solving. It integrates directly into popular integrated development environments, making it an indispensable tool for rapid development and enhancing code quality. Ultimately, Figma and Code Copilot serve distinct but complementary purposes. Figma is your go-to for visual design, prototyping, and collaborative UI/UX work, while Code Copilot excels in accelerating the coding process through intelligent AI assistance. For a complete product lifecycle, designers might start in Figma, then developers leverage Code Copilot to translate those designs into functional code. Understanding their individual strengths helps you choose the right tool for the right task, optimizing your workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.